6/5/2011, 3. About the pain in trees again. Some of the things to think about. Not that I have the answer. The pain, what we see with pain. Pain is something that is a result of a signal, where signals are sent from one part of our organism to another. Discomfort, pain, seldom is there progress made in comfort. Trees, they do send signals, and we do know the cambium zone will send electrical pulses. And what are the signals that our body sends out? I don't know. I don't have all these answers. But aren't they signals of some type of electrical sense? And trees, remember, they don't move in the sense they don't move away from danger and threats, and they do have signals. And what type of discomfort, I don't know. But when you see trees commonly planted too deep with no concern, it's sad. That causes me pain. And you see the roots that are coming straight up and girdling. The organism is committing suicide. Self-inflicted wounds, cutting off the liquid transport. The water and the essential elements that are dissolved in water, they come from the soil towards the leaves. There's 17 essential elements, counting nickel as essential. Essential meaning, I mean that, yeah, nickel's present, and it's maybe in a very minute amount in plants and trees. However, when it's lacking, it's anything but minor. And there's a problem. That's what I believe. I believe nickel is essential. And that makes it 17 essential elements. And therefore, 14 of those essential elements come from the soil. Okay? They're elements. They're not nutrients. They're not nutrients. The only reason you see the word nutrient used in some of the finest publications in universities in the world, maybe not the finest publications for this reason, is because no one stopped them. There are elements. A nutrient would be something that would contain elements, vitamins, energy, food, something that would be nutritious it would contain. Elements are not that. Nitrogen is not food for a tree. That's ridiculous, ignorant, lack of knowledge. A total example of someone who flunked photosynthesis and has absolutely no understanding of most plants is to say that we have a bag of plant food or tree food. They manufacture their own food, and the ones that don't, like the ghost flower, that are heterotrophs, they get their food, their glucose, from other plants that do have chlorophyll, through the bicarbohydrate transfer of plants underground, through different connections of fungi and what have you, the whole different world underground, whole nother world. But people don't think about that world when they're removing the wood and they're doing these things. And you don't see the things that don't survive. They're not here, they're gone. Somebody said, oh, he got a little bit of shy going. He really took off and is crazy. Well, that was hearsay. I don't see anybody testifying. And this person certified it that, and that person certified it this. But still, be honest with me. Who certified the person doing the certifying? I see too much going on out here, and I don't see trees being helped. I got into the business of trees thinking that someone that cared for trees was supposed to help trees. Boy, was I wrong. Doesn't make sense to me. Thank you.